At sunrise, when the sea was calm and the wind carried the whispers of freedom, a young seagull named Jonathan dreamed of flying higher than any bird before him. To his flock, flying was just a way to find food, but to Jonathan, flying was life itself. While the others squawked and fought for scraps on the shore, Jonathan rose into the open sky, learning, experimenting, crashing, and rising again. He studied the wind like an artist studies his canvas. He dived faster, climbed steeper, and turned sharper, not for praise, but for perfection. But the flock did not understand. They called him strange, reckless, and disobedient. When he spoke of freedom, they called him foolish. When he flew for joy, they called him proud. And at the end, they assembled and decided to banish him out of society for daring to be different. Alone on the sea, Jonathan's heart ached, but his spirit did not break. He spread his wings and whispered to himself, "I am a seagull, I'm born to fly." And then he flew higher and faster than ever before. He broke all the limits of the sky and touched the edge of the heaven itself. There he met other seagulls of radiant light who welcomed him into the higher worlds. And they taught him that the true meaning of flight is not skill or speed, but love, freedom, and the joy of being. For a long time, Jonathan learned that thought and spirit could move wings and how love connects all beings. Even in the higher worlds, he never forgot his old flock, the seagulls trapped in fear and conformity. One day, Jonathan descended, not as an outcast, but as a teacher. And he found many new seagulls who were banished like he once was. He showed them that flight was freedom and that heaven is not a place above the clouds but within one's own heart. He also told them that you can go as far as you wish. You have the freedom to be yourself, your true self. That is your heaven. The legend of Jonathan Livingston Seagull will never be forgotten as long as the human civilization endures. He has become a symbol of courage and resilience for all those who dare to dream differently, who are not afraid to fly higher, fall harder, and rise again. Perhaps there is a Jonathan in each one of us. We just need to awaken it. If you like it, please subscribe for more inspiring and reflective stories. Thank you.